with, and the conditions that you worship Allah, how you worship Allah Azza wa Jal with them, and the things that are required from you. And now we have the opposite of all of these things, which we have the idea of shirk. Now when we say there is shirk, there is major shirk and minor shirk. Who can tell us what is major shirk? What is the definition of major shirk? No. Do you know who gave the definition? Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. So if you're searching now, don't tell me your opinion, yeah? Because the Prophet ﷺ, he gave a definition of what shirk is. So who knows? Is that the speech of the Prophet or Allah? Allah, So the Prophet ﷺ said, he identified what shirk is, No, the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, أن تجعل لله ندا وهو خلقك. أن تجعل لله ندا وهو خلقك. That you make with Allah Azza wa Jalla an opponent, an equal, when He is the one who created you. That is the Prophet's ﷺ's definition, yeah? So not looking for any opinions, because the Prophet already gave us the definition. Khalas? So it is that you make an equal or opponent with Allah Azza wa Jalla, and He is the one who created you. That is major shirk. And we have also minor shirk. Does anyone know the definition of minor shirk? It's not from the Prophet this time, yeah? Okay, yes. Taqiyya? What did you say? Riya. Oh, that's a type of minor. We're saying what is the definition? That is one of the things that are minor shirk. But what is the definition of minor shirk? Like how can we know when something is minor? How can we define? What is the parameter that you can use to determine this is minor shirk? First, it is whatever the Sharia calls shirk or something similar to it, meaning calls it kufr, or all of these phrases which are in the same meaning, and it leads you to major shirk. So it's two things. It is called shirk, but it is not major shirk. It's a means to lead you to major shirk. That is what minor shirk is. And an example of that, because وَبِالْمِثَالِ يَتَّضِحُ الْمَقَالُ, with the example things becomes clear, right? An example of that is the Prophet ﷺ, he said, مَنْ تَعَلَّقَ تَمِيمَةً فَقَدْ أَشْرَكَ. مَنْ تَعَلَّقَ تَمِيمَةً فَقَدْ أَشْرَكَ. Whoever hangs or holds or an amulet, and he believes this amulet, gives him protection. Something that gives him actual protection, right? It's protecting him. Then he's committed shirk. So that is shirk, minor shirk, that leads you to major shirk that you worship now other than Allah Azza wa Jal. Yes? Sorry? The hadith, it's a hadith. Man ta'allaqa tamimatan faqad ashrak is a hadith. Whoever hangs a tamima, whoever hangs an amulet is a hadith of the Prophet ﷺ. Sorry? Yeah, we can give you all the references you want, inshallah, after the lecture, if you like. No problem, inshallah. If you write down whoever hangs an amulet is committed shirk, you will get the references straight away if you search it up, inshallah. And the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he also said, "Man halafa bi ghayri Allahi faqad ashrak." Same thing. Whoever makes an oath with other than Allah Azza wa Jal, he's committed shirk. Whoever makes an oath with other than Allah Azza wa Jal, he's committed shirk. Because you are holding that thing in a position of Allah Azza wa Jal, right? In a way, you're beginning to do that. You're making an oath with other than Allah Azza wa Jal. So you're beginning to make that thing equal with Allah Azza wa Jal, which is what we said is major shirk is. You might not believe it, like as we said last lecture, someone says, "Oh, my mother, this and this and that." You don't believe your mother is equal with Allah Azza wa Jal, right? But you use that term and it can lead you to major shirk, and the Sharia calls it shirk, right? So this is what minor shirk is. A minor shirk can be apparent, like the actions that we're saying, outward, or also can be inward. Can be something which is inward, like the brother that mentioned riya. Riya is like showing off, like you're doing an action so people can what? Praise you. You're not doing it for Allah Azza wa Jal. Like, you're standing, you're praying, you're beautifying your voice in the most beautiful way so people can, praise you and say, "MashaAllah, look at this great reciter." Not because you're doing it for the sake of Allah Azza wa Jal as an action of worship, yes?
Is that only for religious things? Like what if it's in sports?
No, this is only to do with the religious things. So because the actions of worship has to be, as we said before, purely for Allah. Ikhlas, what we mentioned before. This is the opposite of it now, right? The actions has to be only done for the sake of Allah Azza wa Jal. So when you associate with Allah, people or anything else, or fame or money, anything else other than Allah Azza wa Jal, then that is considered association, which is what shirk is. Yes. But we're not going to take questions during the session. Let me highlight that. We took few now. This will be the last one. We're not going to take questions through the session because we need to go quickly and we don't have much time. Yes?
Sorry, is there a hadith that's concise like the previous one about major shirk, about the minor shirk that the Prophet ﷺ?
The hadith that we mentioned, the Prophet ﷺ said, أن تجعل لله ندا وهو خلق, that you make an equal or an opponent to Allah Azza wa Jal. That's the definition of major shirk.
Is there one for minor shirk that you gave?
No, because minor shirk, as I said to you, it is, the Sharia calls it shirk, so it be specific actions that the Sharia will call either shirk or kufr, and it will not be yet reach that level that you're making an equal to Allah Azza wa Jal. Okay? So, moving on, inshallah. So this is essentially the things that are to do with uluhiyyah, to do with singling out our actions of worship to Allah Azza wa Jal alone.